Will be the border talks because everyone in Meghalaya is waiting for that.
You see, from Assam side, we are eager to resolve the pending disputes. 6 pending disputes are there. 3 out of that 3 are actually we can resolve at any point of time. I think Meghalaya is waiting to see that the other 3 is also resolved together. So we are working on, we will keep on working, and I am sure that the balance 6 will also be resolved issue. You see, this involves people's sentiment of both the states. So time frame is not good, but at the same time we should hope and pray that it will be resolved sooner than later. Survey of India is doing the demarcation and they are proceeding well, but whatever we have signed in presence of Home Minister is binding to both the government. States coming together under the leadership of a central government police force is good for us, but if we both states collaborated on our own without involvement of central government, that may not be good. So idea is that both Meghalaya and Assam and Nagaland can work together under the supervision of government.